Okay, in this video, we're going to answer the question how to find the slope-intercept form of a line passing through the point 1, 3 with slope m equals -2 and graph it. I like doing this on pencil and paper, with pencil and paper. Okay. Okay, so the equation for slope of a line is y equals mx plus b. We are given the point 1, 3, slope of -2. We can use these to find the one unknown, which is b. So we make this x1, y1. So y1, 3 equals m, -2, x is 1, plus b. One equation, one unknown. We'll solve for b. We're going to take 3 equals -2 plus b. Let's take this guy over here and change the sign. Little trick, you can do that, or you can subtract 2 from both sides. We can add 2 to both sides. So we come up with 3 plus 2 equals b, b equals 5. Okay, so plug this back into the equation. We have y equals -2, x plus b, which is 5. So that is our slope-intercept form of the equation. Now let's graph it. We're going to just do this, what we call quick and dirty. We're going to make our grid. It doesn't have to be perfect. -x, x, y, -y. Put in the origin, 0. Now we have the equation here. We need to figure out what our table values are going to look like. We're going to just do a quick table with 2 points, x, y. Now, I want to pick the easiest points possible. So I want to pick something that cancels out this value. If I pick x equals 0, the x goes away. So I'm going to pick x equals 0. This guy goes away. I'm left with +5. I'm going to pick, in this case, x equals 1, because I know that's going to give me a low number. Because it's just going to be a line anyway. If I can draw a line through any 2 points, I can make the full line. So I'm going to keep my algebra very low. So I'm going to keep my numbers very low. I'll pick x equals 1. So that gives me y equals -2 times 1 plus 5. Y equals -2 plus 5. Y equals 3. So for x equals 1, y equals 3. And we double check that real quick to make sure it's right. You always want to double check it real quick, because otherwise you'll have your line going one direction. It should be going the other direction. But just make sure that you don't go too fast, but you don't want to go too slow. You want to be in that Goldilocks zone. So now we have our 2 points. We can see y is 5, y is 3. We have x is 0, x is 1. So we want our scale. We want to draw our scale. We can vary our scale based on our numbers. Our scale on our graph, we vary it based on our numbers. So we have a number 5. So we can make this scale. We can make it 1s, we can make it 2s, 4s, 5s. I never like to go by 3s, but we can go 1, 2, 4, 5. In this case, I think 5 would be too big, so we'll go by 2s. We'll go 2, 4, 6. So 5 is somewhere in here. We have 2. I like to go the same scale for x and y, 2, 4, 6. Generally, but you can go either way on it. Let's move this over a little bit. So now there we have it. We have 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so let's graph this. We can graph this now. Plot the point 0, and this is now ordered pair, 0, 5. X equals 0 here. Y equals 5 here. That's our intercept. X equals 1, y equals 3. X equals 1, y equals 3. Double check those points. Go with the dotted line through the point. and then color it in. That's the quickest way to make that straight without a ruler. We label it y equals negative 2x plus 5. So that's how you do that. Got a little bit crooked on it, but we could straighten it out. Doesn't matter that much. It's just a practice problem. But the idea is there. You see everything is there. And so that's how you solve that. And these are the techniques you use. Work through a few of these, become a master at it. But these are all the techniques you're going to use for all the subjects in math, all the way up through pre-calculus. You use these basic skills, these techniques, and you'll be just fine. So you learn all of these along the way, and for all these types of problems you have, there are always basic skills and techniques that you can use. Thank you. Have a nice day.